back to our channel today.
Yeah, we are out and about shopping.
Just got to the famous Aventura Mall. Asked Dan and show what they wanted to do on their last day here in Florida. They wanted to do Aventura Mall. Do
I know.
Shopping.
This is our first time coming this way and it's really pretty. Like, this is beautiful. It feels like I'm like walking through like a little bit of a resort.
So check out the slide up there.
So this slide is super famous. You can go right here and you can hike up to the top, it looks like. Oh, it's closed though. Maybe you have to buy the ticket. I actually don't know how it works. That'd be a lot of fun. We are right parked near the Apple store. Kind of fun to see that. And we're gonna head into the entrance, and this entrance is kind of iconic for the Aventura Mall because it has all these like water features and it has all of the vegetation.
So there's a ton of different restaurants here. This Mosaic one, it's a Mediterranean one. It's beautiful. It has like flowers and everything. We've heard it's really, really good. Yeah. There's also an amazing food court upstairs that we've been to a few times. There's bakeries, so many fun things. And takeout boxes.
Oh, that is actually really cool.
Daniel said he was hungry.
Is that made of tinfoil? What is this made of? No, that's metal. That's metal. Look how pretty this is though. The kids would love this. This is one of my favorite features about this area is like these hanging like green balls that are everywhere. They're hanging from all the trees.
I love just like all the decor out here. It's just like tropical. Look at these trees, massive palm trees everywhere. They have pretty much every store you could ever think of in this mall.
So one thing that's funny about Brittany and I is that we've had a slew of gift cards that we have never used, and I'm pretty sure we have one to Zara, and I know for sure we have one to Nike. But where we're going right now is a very famous place. They want a cronut, which I forget what that is. I think it's a donut and something else mixed. But it's a very famous place you can go here. It's an Italian bakery called Roseta.
Friends Derek and Julie brought us here a while ago. It's a really famous bakery here in the mall called Roseta.
I just said that too. Yeah.
Anyways, we wanted to get a little pastry before we do some shopping, and then we're gonna go to dinner. We got all these cheesecake sandwiches.
They got all sorts of goodies here.
I think they have little pistachio cream puffs over here. Look at those.
Ooh, those do look nice.
These look really good. Yeah.
They have so many desserts, you guys. Like literally, like this entire thing is desserts.
I got that one, Milito Ogoli. What's the one you got? The
Great.
Ogoli.
Great pronunciation.
We got their famous bombalone.
You just learned the name.
Just don't know how to say it. That's what it's called.
Wow, look at this.
It's called dessert before dinner. Yeah, this is our appetizer.
This is my dessert right here. This is what I'm
sorry, babe.
Yeah, that's what I'm having. It looks good though. Now, what exactly is this one? Nutella, I'm guessing?
Bombalone, yeah, it's like a donut.
It's Nutella in the middle, and this one's a croissant with Nutella in the middle. And then Daniel got the, what has got that in there?
Pistachio cream puff. Cheers.
Is it good?
Ooh, that is good.
It's generally good? Nice.
Like pistachio, it's very good.
I'll tell you how this tastes. Let me see.
This Italian water.
Quite refreshing.
Crisp? Crispy? Sorry, babe.
Nice. Oh,
wait,
that's
like the best bite.
That's a juicy bite right
You
there.
can't give us that. That's like all the Nutella.
All right, official taste test on that one.
I think there's a sink close.
That looks like a train wreck.
This is not cutting nicely. Wow.
Looks
Okay,
good.
my honest review of Roseta is I wouldn't get this.
Does it taste good? Decent? Decent.
I feel like this would be better if it was warm.
Yeah, they should warm it right before they give it to you. They do not though.
The dough's good. Like, try this dough. The dough's good.
One of the things we just learned about this mall is that it's dog friendly. We had no idea.
We think they can go in the stores. We see them all in the main walkways, but I think they do. They have like puppy vending machines.
Yeah, they have like dog leashes that you can buy, all sorts of things. And this mall is massive. It is huge. Look at that.
Yeah, we've only been to like this tiny little section.
We've like seen like 1/8 of it.
So if you are visiting Florida and it happens to be rainy or not the best weather day, highly suggest coming. You can walk around here, like really fun places to eat, shop, walk around. So that could be a really good. And
it's a massive mall, like huge mall. Something unique about this mall, check that out. Literally walking. Yeah, you walk perfect. That's how it's done, Shell. It looks identical.
Okay guys, we came into Aritzia, which is a really cute store. But
yes, super
I have to
cute.
say, Shell has the cutest style ever.
She really does.
I'm like, Shell, you tell me where to go. Because she has the cutest dress. We're gonna go here and Mango. She
Ooh.
has really cute dresses.
All right. This is kind of unique seeing a New Balance shoe inside of the store, but my favorite part is that it actually says right here, dads love them, and it's so true. And they actually have, I've never seen this before, a dedicated Creed store. This stuff, I will admit, is some of the best smelling cologne ever.
You got it once.
We got it once. It's extremely expensive, and which is why we got it once. But wow, it smells amazing just walking past it.
Like designer row.
Holy cow.
We got Chanel, we got Rolex.
Oh my gosh, we got a pillar. Look at that. Chanel, Rolex, Valentino. Wow, there's all sorts of designer stuff in here.
You go up there.
Alright, I did not know this, but apparently Ferrari does not only just sell cars, but they also have like a line that you can buy of like high-end fashion. Literally have never seen that before. Too bad I don't have a Ferrari, otherwise I could shop there.
Hey, no, we didn't either.
Oh yeah. What is the Porsche? This is the Porsche, yeah.
Porsche.
Porsche. I've been having kind of a little bit of fun in this like high-end fashion area because it's totally not us. And I've been saying all the names of the places incorrectly on purpose, and I'm saying them kind of loud.
He goes, hey, let's go hit up Gucky. He's like, should we go to Channel?
You know, it's kind of fun, you know, I like it. They got
Super funny.
They got a lot of really just crazy stuff. I mean, there's a Bentley right there, just chilling.
Okay, we are on the hunt now. We're getting hungry. We're gonna go check out what restaurants. There's an Italian restaurant here, and we're gonna go see if it looks good.
Wow.
My name is Lillian. I'm gonna be a Roseta chef for today. Is this your first time with this pasta?
Yeah, that looks cool.
Do you guys want to try a little sample of the cheese? Yes, please. Well, just to let you know, this cheese is 10 times stronger than all the cheese that we have in the restaurant. So this whole entire thing here is 145 gallons of unpasteurized cow's milk, and it weighs up to 90 pounds. Wow.
Wow.
So of
Goodness.
course, the name of the cheese, it's called Parmigiano Reggiano from Parma, Italy. So this cheese will last in an average up to 2 years.
Wow.
For us, we like to have it as 18 months of age. Basically a year and a half for the best taste. It's 32% milk, plus 32% of water. It contains great source of vitamin D.
Good.
Calcium. It's good for cholesterol and really good for the heart. Wow.
Nice.
Perfect. That's what we like to hear.
Cheese for the heart.
And so she added cheese into there. Wow.
Yeah.
Oh wow. That looks delicious.
Steaming up the lid.
Yeah, right?
How long will one of these wheels last?
In general, it goes up to 2 years, but I'll say in the restaurant, I'll be very honest with you, 5 days. Really?
What?
5 days.
This whole thing in 5 days? Oh my
Definitely
gosh.
a popular one.
That's crazy.
Because it gets real, like this dish is basically our baby. I'll say just for one, like I'll say like a weekday, for one day, I'll say like a Wednesday.
Oh.
It will go up to
Thank
like
you.
50 dishes or more in one day. And a weekend, I'll say a good example, like a Saturday, it will do 100 dishes in there.
Holy cow.
Pretty. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
That is creamy.
So you guys have a bunch of these out back.
Yep, we actually have 5 of them. Wow. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Holy cow, it's already done. That is so thick. That is a massive meal.
Thank you. Oh, thank you so
It's
much.
my pleasure. Enjoy.
This is gigantic.
Dude,
Bon appetit.
Thank you.
thank you. That is a lot of cheese, and that is a massive pizza.
Yeah. Oh, babe, that looks good. Just make sure you try out the pasta first before adding more Parmesan cheese, because what it does, it makes the pasta 20 times more salty inside. Wow.
Wow.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, and Jared got gluten-free pasta.
I'm pretty sure it's the pasta we get.
Yeah, I was gonna say it's made with rice and then
Yeah.
with meatballs. I got a pasta frita de mar. It's like a spicy tomato sauce with seafood. Shell got a burrata pepperoni salad, and Daniel got the star of the show. Yeah. Look at at that creamy
Chicken
goodness.
fettuccine.
This restaurant's really cool, you guys. So we're at
The
Video. It's just in the mall right here, but
Can't remember.
it's very cool. All right, bon appetit.